How to recover Gmail account password without recovery email and phone number. Let's jump right into the steps. First, go ahead and open Google Chrome on your phone. Go to the search bar and search for google.com. Now, in the search bar of google.com, what you can do is you want to go ahead and search for Gmail recovery. Tab on account support. Now here you want to go ahead and put the Gmail that you want to recover, then tap on next. Now here you need to put your password, but that is not possible, so tab on try a different question. Now that Google confirmed this is your phone, so you want to tap on continue. Now you want to go ahead and create a new password, then confirm your password, then tap on change password. So that is how to recover Gmail account password without recovery email and phone number. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.